Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're looking at Injective Protocol, INJ, and its latest price action using Elliott Wave analysis. We'll break down key levels, potential reversals, and what might come next. INJ is currently in a Wave 4 correction, meaning we've seen an A wave down, a B wave up, and could now be in a C wave to the downside. The price has already reached the A equals C target, which is a key Fibonacci level where corrections often end. Does this mean the correction is over? The move down looks complete, but there's no confirmed reversal yet. We need more signs of strength before calling an uptrend. Key support levels to watch: $8.88, $8, $6.41, $5.14. The price is reacting to Fibonacci support, and while a bounce is possible, we need stronger confirmation. For an uptrend, INJ must break above resistance, starting with the recent swing high from March 2024 at around $12.77. For a bullish scenario, we need a 5-wave move up breaking previous highs. If INJ clears $12.77, the next target is $14 and beyond. Right now, though, the move up still looks like a 3-wave structure, which isn't enough to confirm a bullish reversal. If the price fails to break resistance and drops further, the next major support to watch is $8.20. At this point, patience is key. Until we see a strong 5-wave structure breaking key resistance levels, it's too early to confirm a reversal. Stay cautious and keep an eye on those critical price levels. If this update was helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more crypto technical analysis. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.